Let's just hold it. That's right. They're gonna if you take a shot, no, it's too hot. I'll take it. Yeah, I'll take it. No, it's not on that other side. It's hot. I get it.
Open it.
Right. Sure.
You know, maybe in maybe we'll go there. Okay, I don't see Jay.
Ooh.
See, I'm watching you and shit. I see. I use it all the time. My baby cups, yeah.